I just wanted to take 1 second to review with you about finding an inverse if you have a function. This will give you a chance to pause the video and practice a bit as needed. So if we have, let's start just right in with f of x. If we have 2/3 x plus 5 and we want to know its inverse, well, we take the fraction and we take its reciprocal, 3/2. Then in parentheses, x and the opposite here, minus 5. So that's the shortcut. For those of you that are like, what do I do every single time? That's the shortcut. If you want to see a little bit more about why that is, let's just take a look at f of x. So we'll switch colors here. All right, if f of x is 2/3 x plus 5, right, if we want to switch input and output, well, we'll just solve for x here. So take f of x minus 5 from both sides, 2/3 x. And then to get x by itself, well, we've got to multiply by the reciprocal. So multiply both sides by 3/2. Okay, so there's the multiplying both sides by 3/2. That's why the parentheses. And because it's an inverse, we switch the input with the output. So 3/2, we switch f of x for x, and we replace x with f of x. And there you have it. Now you can, if you want, you can distribute that 3/2 in so that you've got 3/2 x minus 3 times 5 is 15/2 to get the inverse. Inverse there. Oh, that was bad writing. Here, I will rewrite it so you can see what I'm talking about. This is saying f inverse of x. There we go. So that's just a real quick whatever. Why don't I let you pause the video while I write in the answers here? So you pause, come back to this. Did you pause? You didn't pause. Pause. I don't want you just looking at the answers. Give it a try. Okay, here we go. Here's the answer for this one. This is going to be 5/4 x plus 7. Then for h, it's going to be a little bit tricky because we have 6, and the reciprocal of 6 is 1/6. And that's going to be x minus 2/3. So there you go. There's your real quick review on finding inverses.